Rockwell was founded in December of 2018. We opened up the beer garden here back in 2021. We're located right in St. Louis Hills inside Francis Park, and I think it just really brings the whole community together when they're able to come and sit down and have a beer together. When we opened up the beer garden, we didn't really look at anyone else. True was kind of the no-brainer of what we were going to use. True has the reputation of being high quality, fairly priced, and just overall a really good product to use. Having products that were able to fit into our space and not only fit but also exceed our expectations, it's been really amazing. The pizza prep table has this extra long cutting board. We're able to form the assembly line, just building the pieces as fast as possible to get them out of there, because we do get incredibly busy. Our busiest night on record, I believe, is that we've served 315 pizzas in a 3-hour span. We're able to have all our ingredients readily available very quickly and efficiently while maintaining temperature and quality at the same time. What has made Rockwell successful is our commitment to quality. If we don't feel like it's up to snuff, we're not going to put it out there. It's very important that we're putting out consistent, fresh product, everyone, and True is just another step in providing that to our customers.